citations for minor offenses, and 316 contact cards. The new cameras are just one of the significant investments that have been made since the amendment.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 7:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, May 3rd, 2012. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Caledon and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for City of Toronto, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, and Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham region. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Caledon, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 19h01, heure avancée de l'Est, le jeudi 3 mai 2012. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour Caledon et Orangeville